Hello everyone! This is Koshey channel again, and in this video I'll tell you about two color modes and explain how to search for images on the internet. So let's get started. So what is a color mode, or as it's also called, an image mode? Basically, these are just different color models. RGB stands for red, green and blue, which in Russian are krasny, zelony and siny. And CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow and key colors, which in Russian are голубой, purpurny, желтый and черный. So what's the difference between them? In the RGB color mode, the color palette is much larger than in CMYK. But if you want to print this image, you should choose the CMYK mode because all printers use this color model. But if you're planning to use this image for a website, or you simply don't need to print it, it's better to choose the RGB mode. You can easily select the image mode when you create a project through the File menu, then New. It's located here. There are also different types of colors, but the main ones are CMYK and RGB colors. Now let's move on to images on the internet and how to search for them. This skill will come in handy if you want to make your own collage. So, in order to find an object with a transparent background on the internet, type in the object you want. For example, crown. Then add PNG, or with transparent background PNG. I'll just write peng. Now please select the option labeled Images. And then simply choose any pictures you like, perhaps your favorites. The browser will offer you quite a lot of them. And just one thing, before saving the images, please make sure that they are really actually being saved in the PNG format. Now I'll speed up the video a bit so you don't get bored looking at crowns. There! A crown from Game of Thrones. Select it. Right-click on it, and simply choose Save Image As. If the image you are trying to save is not currently being saved as a PNG file, you should click the Cancel button to stop the process. After cancelling, you can either choose another image that is already in the PNG format, or you can follow the provided link for more detailed instructions on how to proceed. Save image as. You should see the label PNG image appear. Choose a folder and click Save. Well, that brings us to the conclusion of our lesson. Thank you all so much for watching. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Well, that's all for now. Bye bye.